Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to challenge the Japanese club through our team event in eFootball 2024. So we are going to play the Meiji Yasuda J1 League 2023 season. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission or objective so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started. After long maintenance here, there are some upgrade about this game. And this is the official website maintenance. You can learn about this. Let's get back to the main page. Tap the dream team. Tap the events. And this one, theme event Japanese club. So in this event you will be able to use player from J1 league and J2 league. This one you can learn about this, and this is the event condition. You are going to play in or as a or using club from Japanese or J1 league. Tap to enter, and you have to choose your team for this event. This is Japanese League 1, and for example I'm using the Urawa Red. Let's search the Urawa Red, this one. Tap the next, tap to enter, and you have to aim for one win to go to the next stages. Tap the first one, and this is player join on loan. Tap the game plan. So this is the player from J League, from Urawa Reds, that play for you in this theme event. So challenge this event and get the reward like 50 eFootball coins here, for example. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.